This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening File Explorer with Win+E, which gets you straight to your files. Once done, pin a folder to quick access so you don't hunt for it later. Make sure you enable file name extensions and show hidden items in the View menu. This helps you identify file types and recover misplaced files. You'll also learn to switch between this PC and quick access. These first actions keep navigation fast and give you control over what's visible. Next, you'll organize and navigate efficiently. Use the address bar to paste or type a full path, then press Enter to jump there. This saves time versus clicking through. Once inside, sort and group files by name, date, type, or size to locate items quickly. Try Details View for precise info. Create new folders with New Folder and organize via drag and drop. If a move would overwrite, File Explorer prompts you so you can choose what to keep. Finally, search and share your way to completion. Use the search box with filters such as kind, PDF, or date this week to narrow results. Search indexes help speed retrieval. To share, right-click a file and choose Share or use OneDrive for synced links. If File Explorer freezes or shows wrong icons, restart it from Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer and restart. That quick fix often restores normal behavior if problems persist. Reboot to clear deeper issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.